Hello and welcome to this box breath practice. This type of breath work will leave you feeling completely relaxed. So if you're ready, go ahead and find a comfortable seat or maybe a position laying down either on your bed or on the ground on a yoga mat. Just make sure your spine is long and you're able to breathe freely, so no hunching over. When you're ready to begin, take one natural breath. And how box breath works is we're going to inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold at the bottom for 4. So empty your lungs completely and we'll begin. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold for 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's slow it down slightly. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Inhale and hold at the top. Exhale and hold at the bottom. Inhale again. Hold at the top. And exhale, release the shoulders. Relax on that exhale. Hold at the bottom. Inhale. Hold again at the top. And exhale. Hold at the bottom. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale again. And after this next hold, we're going to slightly increase the duration of each side of the box to 6. So when you're ready, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. Good. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. And exhale. And hold. Good. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold at the bottom. Last one, inhale. Hold at the top. And exhale. Hold at the bottom. Good. Next one, we're going to inhale for 12 seconds. So make sure you're using the diaphragm, using the shoulders, the chest. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold for a brief moment. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. Take one natural breath. Open the eyes, move around in the chair. Remember, you can do breath work anywhere and no one will even know. So if you ever need that quick de-stress, this box breath is easy to remember and easy to do. So we'll finish there. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.